Okay, hello YouTube. So in this video, I've got a page here that I just created, and the reason why I decided to create this page, and I'm gonna give this share code out to you to everyone on this video at the end. But sometimes I get people asking me what other businesses am I doing, and I just wanted to create a page, a simple page, because I know these questions often get asked, and I know a lot of people get asked this. You know, they come into your inbox, you have a conversation, and people say, "What other businesses are you involved in? Could you give me some information on some of your other income streams?" That kind of thing. So I wanted to create a simple page that people could instantly rebrand, that would basically allow them to instantly add in their various businesses that they're promoting. Just a simple page that's branded to you with an image, your name here. You could put the business that you're promoting in step one, and a video, and a button that goes to another landing page, or a join link, or whatever, or a kind of a webinar here, or whatever. And the same applies for step two with another business, and then another business in step three, and then a way to get in touch. So it brands you, it has your businesses in here, and a way to get in touch. Also, I've made it very simple that if you wanted to add more businesses, you could just simply add kind of elements, layers, if you like. I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple. And then just duplicate and add in another kind of a layer, or another step, really fast. But it also, this share code uses the new share code system for LeadsLeap. So you're just basically filling in blanks. This page allows you to put in 3 businesses currently, but as I say, it's easy for you to add in more. Or if you don't have 3 businesses and you want to delete, it's very easy to delete an entire section, like just one click. So and then it all kind of like moves up automatically. So it's really quick and easy. So let me show you how it works. Now, I basically created this page because I do get people asking me, what other businesses are you involved in? So I wanted a quick page to set up with my various income streams on one page, where they can go in, they can review the videos, check them out, and then join them if they like. And then they can ask more questions at the bottom. But it's branded to me. Maybe, obviously you could you could turn this into a funnel, obviously, and then put a capture page in front. It's up to you. But I mean, I get a lot of people who I just communicate with and talk to on social media privately. People are direct messaging me, and we're having a conversation, and I would just simply send them directly to this link. But you could always put a capture page, lead capture page on the front of it, and then just share it out onto solo ads, paid advertising, or free advertising, or exchanges, traffic exchanges, or whatever. So it's and also you can just edit it directly in the editor. You can do what you want with it. Okay. So let me just show you. So this is for LeadsLeap. This is a share code for LeadsLeap. So just join on the link below to LeadsLeap to join me. And then what you do is you go to Page Manager, and you would just simply add a campaign, and then you would stick your the share code that I'll put in the description below this video. So the share codes are below the video, and you can just stick it in there, and it'll immediately ask you some questions. There are quite a few questions. Let me just show you quickly. I'm just going to grab the code for this page. So this will be the code that you'll get at the bottom, below this video. And I'm just going to launch a test account, a LeadsLeap test account. So you go to Page Manager, you create a campaign. My businesses, for example, anything, you can call it anything you like. It's just for your purpose. Add a new page, stick in the share code, import, and it immediately asks you these questions. There looks like quite a lot here, but you can actually skip any of this. I mean, in fact, if you want to just go directly to the editor, you just go down here, replace, and import. But if you can replace part of it, or half of it, or whatever. You just put your name in here, for this example, currently the page has my name in it. Okay, so it's got my name here, Edward Keyte. It's got my name here, Edward Keyte. So what we do is we put, for example, okay, put your full name and then a full link to your Telegram. So this is actually mine, so I'm going to copy the one that's already there. And then for this demonstration, I'm just going to speed things along a bit and then just make things faster. But whatever you put in this box will simply be replaced. It'll just simply replace whatever's already in there. Okay, so this step here. Okay, so let me just go through quickly. So first of all, it says enter your full URL of an image file, such as a graphic. It could be a PNG file, it could be a JPEG, it could be a GIF file or whatever. But if you don't have one, or you already have one within LeadsLeap, you can just leave this blank and you can actually upload it within LeadsLeap. It's up to you. Okay, so that's easy. You could leave that blank if you want, or if you happen to have a full URL already uploaded somewhere on the internet, you could use the full URL to that. Put your business number one, the name of the business number one, the YouTube video ID. Okay, so if you don't know what that is, you go onto YouTube. Okay, and then just look for a video. Okay, so go to the top of the URL, okay, where it has in the address bar, and then after the equals sign at the end there, you could just stick the video ID. Sometimes the URL has a lot of other stuff in there, so that if you're confused, just another way to do it is to right click on the video, and the top link, it says copy the video URL. Copy that, and then just stick that back into the address bar, just so that it's easy to get. So this little part at the end there, just right at the end, you could probably double click it, and it'll just highlight what you need. But it's everything from after the final slash part to the end. Okay. If you get confused, don't worry. Just ignore this step, and you could use the editor instead. It might be easy. I don't know. And then just paste that in there. But I'm not going to replace that particular video. Anyway, enter the full URL of your business number one link. This is you could put in a direct link to a landing page or a direct link to a join page. But what I like to do is I put a link to maybe some more information, maybe a landing page that I've already created, or a video on YouTube that your upline or your line of support or someone in the corporate has created, like a webinar, a URL to a webinar, or whatever. Just have some common sense. At the end of the day, you're going to have a video already on the page, so that might be enough to give them as much information as they need, and then they can immediately join. So if your company is reasonably simple to understand, then all you would need is you need the video here, like of a webinar or something, or a 10-minute video or whatever, and then they would hopefully join. But then the join link would be, for example, a direct join link or a registration link would be enough maybe. However, if you feel that they don't have enough information, you could send them to a link that has a download, such as a PDF, or if you feel that they need to have information about the conversation plan first, send it to them or whatever. So that would depend what kind of link you'd have. I'm not going to tell you what you need to link to, but I personally create separate individual landing pages for my individual businesses anyway. And I would link them to there because I think that they need more information. But again, that's up to you. Anyway, then you go on to business number 2. So I put in the business that I want to promote there. Again, same deal. You just put in the video ID for that business number 2 there, YouTube video ID. And then again, what you need to do here for business 2. I'm just copying this bottom part because that's already mine. But in your case, you need to put an actual link that you own. Okay, so don't get confused with that. Just put in whatever link that you want to have there, so that when they click that button, they're going to go to that page. And then you want to put the name. Okay, put the name of the business there for number 3. Put the video for number 3, and put the the link that they will click on when they click the button, the link that they go to, and then just replace everything. Okay, so the page has been created. So when you open it, it's all, you see the name has changed. The name has changed up here. Now, obviously, the image stays the same because I put the same image URL. But if you put your image URL, the image would change. The videos here, the link would be here, the name of the business #1 would be there, and so on. And then, down at the bottom here, a way to get in touch. So that basically you're giving people a simple 4-step process to check out all your businesses on one page. And I think, for me personally, I come across a lot of people who ask me, what other businesses are you promoting? And I think that this is a good way to, have your multiple income streams all on one page. That's not too overwhelming, but gives them enough information about what you're doing. Then they can come and ask you more questions about whatever business sort of appeals to them. Okay, if any of the businesses are a good fit for them, they might come to your inbox and ask you a question. That's why, it's important to put a link here. Now, I purposely haven't put anything like Telegram or Facebook, so you could put anything here like a Telegram URL or a Facebook URL, or whatever. You could even set it up so it connects straight to your email address or whatever. It's up to you, just as a way, or I don't know, a way to connect with you on another website or whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like the code. So get the code from the bottom, from below this video, in the description. But most importantly, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, because I do upload a lot of content like this. So check out some of my previous videos, because I've got some funnels like this that I've done in the past, rebrandable content. And very importantly, join LeadsLeap on the link below, so that you've got the platform that we use, that I use and my team use. Okay, and I'm going to be bringing out more share codes for the LeadsLeap platform. So the next time you come across a video with a page that I've created, and if I'm giving away a share code, if you like that page, it's going to be easy. So it's a good idea just to learn a little bit about the LeadsLeap system, because that's what I use to market all my businesses. All right, thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.